Hi there! I will show you some ways of how to apply weather effects such as rain and snowfall in your animation or other footages. For this presentation I modified the base animation where the most significant change is that the background is layered and I made few changes on the GNU. I imported the project from a Cartoon Animator JSON file, then reorganized the layers based on their display orders. So let's start with the rain effect. At first create a new solid layer with black color. Open the Effects and Presets panel, search for the CC Rain and add it to the new solid layer. The rain is already visible on the black background. Change the normal mode to add mode in the layer panel. Now we can see the rain effect in the animation scene. I don't want raining at the beginning of the scene, so I will set 2 keyframes for opacity, where the first one's value will be 0. Let's find the optimal level of the opacity. We can play with the size and numbers of the raindrops, and I recommend you to try all the parameters to find your favorable settings. Okay, we have done it. What I'm doing now is that I will create another solid layer for the CC Rain effect, and I will place it before the layer of the hills in the back. My intention with this action is to give more depth to the scene. It's worth testing how the rain looks like when you change the wind parameters. I think it looks fine. Now I will show you how to set up snowfall. I'm going to use the same project for the snowfall creation. The only thing I will do is to delete the CC Rain effects and replace them by the CC Snowfall effect. I usually increase the size of flakes to 6 and I'm checking which flake value and speed are the best choice. We have another layer for snowfall, so I'm setting its parameters too. This is the entire scene with the snowfall. And let me show you a different solution for snowfall. To continue the presentation I have to delete the CC Snowfall effects from the solid layers. In this case search for the CC Bubble effect and add it to the solid layers. To make the effect visible we need to change the layer settings. Change the color to white. Change the shading type to fade outwards and test the other parameters to see which settings look better. You will see that the flakes will fly upwards by default, so the minimum action you have to do is to set a negative value for bubble speed. Now I will set up the CC bubbles for the other solid layer in the back, by the same way. Let me tell you at this point that this is just an example, so you can use any snowfall layers as much as you want. If you want to use only one layer, you can use one layer. After the setup of the second snowfall layer, the animation will look like something like this. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel to see what other effects I will add to this scene. Thank you for watching me, bye bye.